everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giraffe, and you can see today is Wednesday again, so we have story time. So basically today's story is Giraffe and the Bird by Rebecca Binder. So I think a lot of you read this book before, so before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn the notification bell so you will not miss any more fun school video. Let's just do the thumbs up challenge. Today's thumbs up challenge is that if you have this book, give this book using this book a big thumbs up. Subscribe, turn the notification bell so you will not miss any more fun school video. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do it? If you did it, give yourself on the back. If not, just always use your thumb to give this video a big thumbs up. And you can see today I put some quiet music while we are reading. So now we can begin. Giraffe and the Bird. For all the little bored in my life. It's true that getting alone can be difficult. If the bird could tell you, he said, he can stand the giraffe. And if the giraffe could tell you, he said, he can able the bird. The bird, you see, make fun face at giraffe. As the giraffe snake out his long tongue at the bird. This makes the bird tweak, and giraffe ears. Toot, toot, toot. That makes the giraffe invent the bird person speak. Someday the giraffe had bad breath. Other day the bird eat too many berries. Guess what? Which are high of fever. The giraffe makes loud noises when he chews his food in with his mouth open. Smash, smash, smash. Often the bird sweeps up a slimy worm in front of the giraffe. Slop. Sometimes the bird pulls his feather is just about the giraffe head. Sneep, sneep. This makes the giraffe sneeze. Oh, I forgot to show you the picture. Every time the giraffe let out a sneeze, the bird blows right off the telephone wing. Achoo! Flap, flap, flap. And every time the bird is blown off the telephone wing, he flies up to perch right on the giraffe horn. Oh my god. When the bird peeks off the giraffe horn, the giraffe wound her ear. Swash, swash, swash. When the giraffe swashed the bird with his ear, the bird pecked on her breast. Pick, 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 pick. The pick makes the giraffe shake his head until they are both dizzy. Dizzy and worry both tumble to the ground. Ugh! And they got like next page. One day the giraffe lost his parents and shook at the bird. Scrum, but the bird gets beat up and shook back at the giraffe. Get lost, giraffe. So they do. Next page. That night there was serious, scary storm. Oh, the telephone porch crashed to the ground. The giraffe wished he could hide his eyes under the bird better, so he couldn't see the lightning. The bird wished he could hide under the giraffe ear, so he would hear the thunder. Crash, boom, bang. The next morning, the bird field grumbled. He had nowhere to sit and no one to pick or peck. The giraffe felt lonely. There is no one around to peace support him. With no one around to push him, the giraffe had time to think. The funny thing is that all the giraffe can think about is the bird. What he can do to bring the bird back. Giraffe agreed to help the telephone completion. Well, he doesn't have to wait long for the bird return. He also doesn't have to wait long for the bird to making a funny face again. Teleboom! Smash, sneak! Smash, smash, peck, peck, peck! Splash, flap, flap, twick, as thunder! And this is the bird poop. How gross is it? Next page. No, it's true that getting along can be difficult. And if you ask it to, the giraffe might still say he can able the bird. And the bird might still say he could stand the giraffe. But we know better. And this author named Rebecca Binder, and she came to my school while we are in grade 2, so now I am in grade 3. So she came to my school and she read this book, and also this book on the back with us. And this book's just tell about if you have a friend, just don't miss it. Just be friends with her. If she do something wrong to you, just don't do back and just let her to say sorry to you and be friends together. Don't like this rat and bird. Don't do that because that is not very nice. So, like, just keep your time to be with your friend And I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe, turn the notification bell so you will not miss any more fun Giraffe and Bird video. See you guys later. Bye.